My job is to solder. Actually, Enercon has trained me and is still in the process of training me to do the soldering job that I'm doing. When I first started at Enercon, I was actually working in assembly. That's assembling the parts and nuts and bolts of the operation, so to speak. And then I have an interest in soldering, so I applied and I was approved to become a solderer. You're mechanically inclined. You have the patience of a saint to do this kind of work. And it's fascinating to work on small circuits, you know. And to me, that's making something, building something is what I really like doing. One of the things that I really enjoy working at Enercon is the ambience, the friends that I make, the people I work with, my teammates. We work together as a team. We build our electronic equipment as a team, and we take pride in what we do, and a job well done. You know, I feel that I actually accomplished something. When I go home at night, I go over my day and I think of all the things that I did in this company, the things that I built, my interaction with my teammates, the management, everything else. And to me, it's important to have almost like a family, a place to go to, you know, not just to make money, but to be part of something greater than you. Well, as far as prospects for growth and advancements, they are there. It all depends on how much you put into it, what your abilities are, what your education is, and what you are really trying to accomplish, okay? As for myself, I found my niche. Like I said, I like building things. That's my strength right there, building things, okay? And to me, that's an accomplishment. The welcoming that I felt when I came here is what really kind of impressed me. I came in here and all the people that I worked with, they had the patience to work with me, to tell me what to do and how to do it, especially. I just think that, I feel that to me it's almost like home. If you drive by, you wouldn't think that this is an industrial place. You would think it's more like maybe that's, I don't know, a restaurant, a hotel or something, you know? But it is actually a place of business. And even though it doesn't look like it, it is a very serious business place.